How to transfer content from your old phone to your new phone. Switching to a new phone doesn't mean starting over. With the Content Transfer app, it's easy to transfer the content that you haven't already backed up to the cloud, from your old phone to your new phone. Any content that you've already backed up to the cloud will be accessible on your new phone as well, once you log back into the cloud. Before you start, make sure you've backed up your old device, and also that you've activated your new device. Once that's done, connect your old phone to Wi-Fi and download the Content Transfer app from Google Play or the Apple App Store on both phones. We'll cover a few differences that come up depending on which devices you're using, so just be on the lookout for the ones that apply to you. Once you're in the Content Transfer app, identify which phone is the old one and which is the new. You might be transferring between Android devices, iPhones, or a combination of the two. All you have to do is let the app know what you have. Regardless of the combination of phones, the first step is to pair your phones. If you're transferring between the same platforms, like iPhone to iPhone or Android to Android, you'll see a screen to pair phones. On your new phone, you'll see a QR code, and on your old phone, you'll see a viewfinder. Place the viewfinder over the QR code to scan the code. If for some reason this process doesn't work, simply tap Manual Setup. You should then see the name of your new phone appear on the old phone. Once you tap the name, an invitation to connect will appear on your new phone. Tap Accept to pair phones. If you're transferring content across a combination of Android and iPhone, the Android phone will create a Wi-Fi hotspot. To connect to this hotspot, scan the QR code on the Android with the iPhone. On the iPhone, tap Wi-Fi Settings and then select the hotspot the Android created. The Wi-Fi password is automatically saved to your clipboard. All you need to do is paste it into the password field on your iPhone. Then double tap the Home button and select to go back to the Content Transfer app. Now, no matter what devices you're using or the steps you followed, you pick what content you want to transfer. If you're on an Android and transferring your messages, the phone will ask if you want to change your default messaging app. Tap Yes to keep your messages, then follow the prompt to change back when the transfer is done. You can see how things are progressing right there on the screens. Once it's done, you'll see a summary of everything that's transferred. One last thing after the transfer. If you're on an Android phone, you'll see a notification that your contacts and text messages are being saved. It's important that you don't dismiss this message. The message will go away once the save is complete. Congrats! You've made the big move without breaking a sweat. And if you want a little extra peace of mind, back up your content to Verizon Cloud so you can access it across all your cloud devices. Now, all that's left to do is enjoy your new phone.